Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the controls on your car's steering wheel. Attention! Before ordering, make sure that your Android car radio has the two necessary wires labeled with the specifications key 1 and key 2. The set contains two controller key, each with a built-in battery, and one receiver box. Some kits also included a drill to secure the buttons in the steering wheel, providing a more aesthetic appearance. You can find this product below in the description. To install the receiver box, follow these steps. Remove the radio to make the power and signal connections. Connect the white and gray wires to key 1 and key 2. The order does not matter. Don't forget, like and subscribe. The red wire is the positive contact, meaning it should have voltage only when the ignition is on to avoid draining the battery. I found this wire using a test pen by turning the ignition on and off. The black wire is the ground and should be connected to the radio's ground. For securing the buttons, I decided to drill into the steering wheel to slightly hide them, giving a more aesthetic look. I fixed the ornaments on the steering wheel with black glue, while I used 3M glue band for the buttons so that I can change the batteries in the future. For synchronization, enter the steering wheel control menu on the car radio screen. Access the system settings, then go to car driving, some settings, steering wheel keys. Configure the soft buttons for learning. Click the soft button on the car radio screen, then press the corresponding physical button on the steering wheel control. Repeat the process to associate each button one by one. Attention! The synchronization may be different from one radio to another. Thank you for watching. And do not forget, like and subscribe.